Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel DJ Kid. So in today's video, a huge announcement and partnership with Coinbase and a specific layer 2. So Coinbase are looking to launch their own project and they've chosen a layer 2. So we'll be taking a look at what layer 2 that is and taking a look at the article in just a moment or so. Just before that, let's take a look at the market as a whole and see pretty much what's going on. So in the last 24 hours, we are up 1.2%. Currently trading at 1.15 trillion. Bitcoin is trading just below that 24,000 level. Really need it to break that 24 grand and move up to that 25,000 level. 25,000 for Bitcoin is I believe it's the weekly 200 moving average. So there's been a lot of resistance at that level. If we can break that, then potentially we could be looking at like 28,000 or 30,000 after that point onward. So hopefully we can break these key levels and continue to move to the upside. ETH is trading at 1.6 thousand, so up 2.3% in the last 24 hours. And then in the market as a whole, you can see there's quite a few reds and a few greens, but overall a pretty good day in the market as we are up 1.2%. If I just sort this by the big gainers in the last 24 hours, you can see some of these projects are still running off that China narrative. So Stacks is up 21.9%. Engine is up 12%, OKC is up as well, and then some of the other projects, IMX, SNX seems to be doing well today, up 5%. The project that I wanted to talk to you guys about though is Optimism. So Optimism is the chosen partner for Coinbase, and this is the layer 2 that Coinbase will be building their project on. So Optimism, the price at the moment is trading at $2.85, up 6.2% in the last 24 hours. We did achieve that $3 level today. This was trading above that $3 level early on today. Had a bit of a reset, price pulled back slightly to that $2.85. And as we can see here, circulating supply is 214 million, total supply is 4 billion. So still a fair amount of tokens to be released to the ecosystem. And all-time high $3.19, so we're not too far off that level. I believe we'll easily achieve that $3.19 and literally look to explode through that as we start to see more bullish momentum in the market as well. In the course of the last 30 days, we seem to be doing really well, up 30.7% in the last 30 days. And as you can see here, last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, pretty much all green for Optimism. So the ticker for Optimism is OP, just so you guys are aware. And obviously if you do look to invest, obviously do your own research before you do so as well. Take a look at the website. So introducing the Optimism Collective, we're announcing a new type of community designed to reward public goods and build a sustainable future for Ethereum. So basically what it is so Optimism's a layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum. It supports all of Ethereum's dApps. And the way it kind of works is instead of running all computation, sorry, let me get my words out. So instead of running all computation and data on the Ethereum network, so what Optimism looks to do is it puts transaction data on chain and runs computation off chain. So basically it then allows Ethereum's transactions per second and to be quicker, and also decreases the transaction fee for Ethereum as well. So overall, a complete scaling solution for Ethereum. So yeah, pretty bullish, and seem to obviously be developing well and have a lot of partnerships since its genesis as well. So if I just show you guys at the bottom of the website here, I did have a look at this earlier and I just wanted to bring this to your attention. Keep going down. So here you can check airdrop eligibility as well, and also Optimism are big on airdrops, so you can also try and be involved in the next airdrop that they try and deliver as well, or that they deliver. So you know, do take a look at this guys and try and get involved in the next airdrop. And then if we take a look at the ecosystem for Optimism, so some of the apps that are building, here you can see, you know, some of the partnerships. Lyra, Synthetics, Tails, you've got Perpetual Protocol, 1inch, Backed, Sushi Swap, Coinbase Wallet, Coinbase as well, MetaMask, Brave Wallet. So there seem to be obviously working with pretty much the best out there. So their ecosystem is continuously growing, and they are supporting other networks as well. So overall, pretty bullish on Optimism for the longer term. Yeah, it seems to be absolutely amazing with what they're achieving. So if we take a look at the article today and the announcement that came out, so Coinbase are looking to launch their new project. That project is called Base. So here you can see Optimism pumped 16% amid Coinbase Layer 2 launch. So if we just scroll down here, so Optimism is a scaling solution built on Ethereum. So we just talked about that. So Coinbase's announcement of its own Layer 2 network, which they're looking to build on Optimism. So if we just carry on going down, so Coinbase said that its new project called Base will be powered by Optimism, and that the company would be partnering with the DAO for open source development on the Op stack. So yeah, obviously looking to build on Optimism, partnered with Optimism, and obviously that's bullish news for Optimism as well. So Layer 2 solutions are designed to make transactions faster and cheaper than they are on their respective Layer 1 blockchain like Ethereum. So just blah blah blah. Let's just keep going for this article, see if there's anything else on here. So for Optimism, this is accomplished by, so basically just about their, I guess, how they run, and with their scaling solutions and their roll-ups, and how they look to scale Ethereum. So it just kind of talks a little bit about that. And yeah, there's not really much else on, I guess, on the Coinbase project itself. However, when I was doing a bit of research early on, there's currently no tokens, or there's no announcements from Coinbase on a token for their project Base at the moment, at least. So guys, it is something to keep an eye on. Coinbase are looking to launch their own Layer 2, so which is going to be called Base. So and they've looked to partner with Optimism. So overall, bullish news for Optimism, and a great partnership for them. If we take a look at the price of so Optimism versus the USDT on the 4 hourly. So you can see here, pretty much we are trading above the 50 EMA and the 200 EMA. So obviously 200 EMA is the longer term trend, and when we're trading above that 200 EMA, it means that there's bullish momentum in the market for that specific token. Have got a bit of a reset on the stochastic RSI though, so we might see price come down a little bit before continuing to go onto the upside. And if I just pull in the Bollinger Band here, so you can see here the Bollinger Band, we might come back down to the middle of the Bollinger Band, or potentially just hit the 50 EMA as a level of support, and then continue to go up to the upside. Let's just get rid of this Bollinger Band here, and if I just pull in some parallel channels, let's just bring this in. Ooh, let's get rid of that. Bring that in again, sorry. Right, okay, so currently we are kind of trading like this. We're literally just gone straight up and trading between these channels. So you can see here, was trading there, went back down, hit the 200 EMA, went up, bounced off this trend line, start moving around, went up, down, and so on. And yeah, so what it kind of looks like is that to trade within this range, we'll probably end up coming down to that 50 EMA, which is the blue line, and then continue on to the upside. So bounce potentially, if I just pull in a drawing tool, just go down and then potentially up. And if we can break this key level, then we could be moving further to the upside. So yeah, there could be potentially new all-time highs coming for Optimism if we continue within this trend. Overall, I'm bullish on Optimism for the longer term. Guys, you can hit me up in the comments below. Let me know what you think about the announcement about Coinbase choosing Optimism to partner with and building obviously their base project as a kind of layer 2 of their own. So let me know what you think about that. Hit me up in the comments below. Let me know what you think about Optimism, and hit that like, hit that subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.